Hi, this is Dr. Junko from Japan, but I currently work in Dubai. I'm very happy to take this course, and that was a great lecture by Dr. Prabhu, who has a vast knowledge of the regenerative medicine and stem cell. Yeah. And I had a really good time to have hands-on, and then I could see the really how to do to the harvest of the BMT or the how to do for the PRP or etc. Thank you very much that to give me such opportunity. Thank you. Done. Hi, this is Dr. Junko.
Little louder.
Hi, this is Dr. Junko. I had a really good time to have a course, and it was really happy I could have the lecture by Dr. Prabhu, who has a vast knowledge about the stem cell and regenerative cancer. Thank you. Done.
Yes.